everyone, we're from NC State and we're a part of the Goodnight Scholars Program. But before we begin our activity today, we're going to introduce ourselves. My name is Elizabeth and I'm currently a second-year student at NC State studying to be a middle grades math and science teacher.
Hey everyone, my name is Luke. I'm a junior at NC State studying horticulture. So basically what that means is I study plants and how they work.
Hi everyone, my name is Jessica. I'm a second year at NC State and I'm studying to be a middle grades math teacher.
So as I mentioned before, we're going to be doing a little activity with you guys today. And so as many of you guys know, boats can be powered by different sources such as wind and fuel. And today we're going to teach you how to make your own boats paddled by DIY paddles.
Yeah, so before we get started today, I'm going to show you two different forms of energy that we're going to learn more about today through our activity. So through our paddle boat paddles made out of cardboard, we are going to learn about potential energy, which is stored energy. And stored energy is when we twist the paddle and it's cold, the rubber bands, as you can see here. And when I let go of the cardboard, it's going to be transferred, the energy is going to be transferred into kinetic energy. So when I let go in that motion, the motion is what is kinetic energy, so it's energy in motion.
And now for the materials you'll have available to you, it's going to be one piece of cardboard, some tape. You'll have 4 straws, 4 skewers, a pair of scissors, and 2 cups. But a key idea to remember is that what you have is what you get.
So before you guys begin building your boats, you'll have a couple of minutes to begin designing your boats. boats, we must test them out. So just remember that any boat is a great idea and that you guys will have time at the end to revise if any issues come up. But before you guys do that, we'll show you some prototypes that we made.
Okay, so now that you tested your boat, you may have noticed that some worked, some didn't. And if we can talk about a few of the problems that came up. Some of them were that either you made your skewers too close together or too far apart. Another is that you may have used cardboard as your base, so that may have caused your boat to sink. And then another is that there may have been holes in your boat, such as in the straws, and so that may have let water come in. But a good thing about designing is that you can always redesign your idea and make it better.
Yeah, and also since you've finished completing your boat process, you now have learned both types of energy. Potential energy, which is energy stored in your rubber band, and kinetic energy, which is energy in motion. And today we want to really emphasize to you that you have all been engineers and have participated in the engineer design process. You've worked collaboratively together to really finish and work on that boat, and you should be really proud of that.